Hello, my dear friends and my dear student. This is not a only lecture. This is the real things what today I'm just going to share with you. And in this video, I will ask some question. If you will listen carefully, then you will give answer. If you will give answer, then I will think really you are eager for improve your English language. When I started to just give the training how to speak and learn English language, so many students they came and asked me, "Sir, how can I speak English language?" I gave training, but they didn't start to learn English language. After the 2 or 3 years, they came again, met me and just asked the same question. Sir, how can I speak English language? Same answer I gave. I gave the answer. You try to start your journey of learning English language like that. And said also, if you are feeling the problem, join my coaching. I will train you. I will guide you. How can you just improve your English language? How can you speak English? But they didn't start. Next time, after the 2-3 years, they came again and asked the same question. Sir, why are you not supporting to me? Why are you not guiding me? Sir, try to just guide me. But tell me, my dear student, how can I guide you? If you don't want to improve your English language, if you don't want to speak English language, how can I guide you? I told you the many ways. How can you improve your English language? How can you speak English language? But if you are not following that all thing, who can teach you English language? Who will guide you? Tell me right now. Your answer I want to see here. But if you really, my student, try to do whatever things I just told you, try to do that. As reading, writing, improve your translation, think English in your mind, and try to speak.